Welcome to DeVinci Cast Stone, where our quick-ship fireplace surrounds allow you to effortlessly make your dreams a reality. DeVinci Cast Stone has been manufacturing architectural precast, including custom, unique, and timeless fireplace surrounds and range hoods, for over 20 years. We have recently developed a new line of fireplace surrounds, which include transitional and contemporary designs. They can be used in both indoor and outdoor applications for wood and gas burning fireplaces. Our exclusive manufacturing process utilizes a combination of lightweight yet stronger cementitious materials, which makes installation quicker and more affordable. They incorporate an innovative design that allows for adjustability to fit most standard 36 to 42-inch fireboxes. The new quick-ship fireplace surrounds are available in two colors, pearl and buff, and in several models. Their innovative design, model range, and color selection allow for standardizing manufacture of stock units that are available for purchase in real time or with little delay. Their ease of installation require only basic masonry or carpentry skills, making it a stress-free project for any home builder or serious DIY enthusiast. A comprehensive version of the quick-ship install procedures is available upon request. Although our styles vary greatly, they are comprised of various combinations of similar components. Starting from the bottom, our quick-ship fireplace surrounds include a three-piece hearth, bottom, sides, and top filler panels, and the main components, which are two legs, and a mantel shelf and header. Your firebox is the structure which contains the actual fire. Our surrounds are compatible with most any type of firebox that is used in residential or commercial applications. We're sure that you will agree that the finished product is a timeless and enduring work of art that would enhance the appearance, if not the value, of any home or office. DeVinci Cast Stone owners and team of skilled artisans take great pride in the quality of our products, knowing that great homes and offices in the United States and around the world display the beauty that their workmanship has created. Thank you for taking the time to view our informational video.